The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Georgetown Interstate Transmission and Auto Repair. We are here inside the auto shop at Georgetown Interstate Transmission and Auto Repair. I'm here with all the owners. We've got Ashley, Joe Bob, and Brandon. So, Joe Bob, you kind of started this whole thing way back when. So, kind of give us the origin story of this place.
So, we moved here back in '92. Ashley was just barely born, and we ended up opening our business 2 years after that. We've been here 32 years. 1994 was our opening date. We were out on 35. We were Interstate Transmissions. The state bought our property. We actually got transplanted into the city limits, into Georgetown. We changed our name a little bit to Georgetown Interstate Transmissions and Auto Repair because we do a wide variety of automotive repair.
Yeah, I love that because you do offer so many incredible services. Now, Brandon, that's where you step in. So kind of tell me about some of the services you guys do offer because there's a lot.
Yeah, so we are a full, complete auto repair. So we offer everything from your routine oil changes, state inspections, tire rotations, even your complicated, engine and transmission repairs as well. So we can handle just about everything there, and we do service a lot of the local police department, state troopers as well, and our local school departments as well with their vehicles.
Ashley, Brandon kind of teased this, but you guys have some really cool promotions that you run really year-round all the time. So tell me about who that kind of applies to.
Yeah, so we are actually a AAA garage, one of the very few in town in this area. So we offer a 10% discount all the time for our AAA customers up to $75. And then we also offer 10% to military, first responders, and teachers all year long.
Yeah. Why is it important for you to kind of give that added help, extra bonus to those people? Because they do so much here in the community.
Yeah. So, I mean, the community is the reason we're here.
Yeah.
So without the community, we wouldn't have jobs.
Yeah.
So we donate to pretty much anyone that we're able to. A lot of the school, especially a lot of the auto tech programs, ROTC, the athletic programs, the cheerleaders, the football. We've supported them for as long as I can remember.
So Joe Bob, for you, as Ashley said, you guys are so involved in the community. So what does it mean to you to kind of have that outpouring of love, not only from the community, but then also to kind of be passing this down to the second generation?
Well, our kids was raised here with the kids in the community, and we work on their vehicles as well too, like their second generation. So my kids know their kids. It's just great to have a great community in Georgetown. And knowing that I'm going to be able to pass it down to the second generation, knowing that they're going to take care of it, it's a blessing.
Yeah, I love that. A family business right here in the heart of Georgetown. Come check them out. You guys, thank you.
Thank you.
To schedule a service, call 512-863-4308 or visit georgetownautorepair.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Georgetown Interstate Transmission and Auto Repair.